Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an amazing product that has taken the hair care world by storm. The BoldPlex 3 Hair Mask, also known as the best Boldeplex Bond Restore Treatment. If you're struggling with dry, damaged, or frizzy hair, this product could be your new best friend. Let's explore what makes it so special and how it can transform your hair care routine. First off, let's talk about what this hair mask is all about. BoldPlex 3 is a deep conditioner and protein treatment specifically designed for hair that's seen better days. Whether your locks are curly, bleached, or just plain frizzy, this product promises to nourish and repair from within. The secret? It's scientifically innovative bond-building technology that penetrates deep into each strand, strengthening and revitalizing your hair from the inside out. Applying the BoldPlex 3 hair mask is as easy as pie. Start with pre-washed, towel-dried hair. This ensures your strands are ready to soak up all the goodness. Simply apply a generous amount of the mask, making sure to cover every inch of your hair. For best results, leave it in for at least 10 minutes. However, if your hair is especially damaged, consider leaving it on for an hour or even overnight for intense hydration. And let's not forget the scent. BoldPlex 3 has a fresh, herbal fragrance that makes your hair care routine feel like a spa day. It's not just about how your hair looks, it's about how it feels and smells too. After rinsing, you'll notice your hair is not only softer but also much more manageable. Now, let's take a closer look at what's inside this miracle mask. One of its standout ingredients is rosemary oil, known for its ability to promote hair growth and improve scalp health. This makes BoldPlex 3 not just a treatment for damage, but also a product that encourages healthier hair over time. Plus, it's sulfate-free, paraben-free, and 100% vegan, aligning with a cruelty-free lifestyle. BoldPlex 3 is suitable for all hair types. Whether your hair is straight, wavy, curly, or coily, this mask works wonders. Users report significant improvements in moisture retention, reduced breakage, and overall healthier-looking hair. The deep conditioning effects are perfect for anyone who regularly styles, colors, or chemically treats their hair. To sum it all up, if you're looking for a reliable treatment to restore your hair's vitality, BoldPlex 3 is definitely worth considering. It combines deep conditioning with bond repair, making it a fantastic option for anyone dealing with damage. Remember, taking care of your hair is a form of self-care, and BoldPlex 3 makes it simple and enjoyable. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more beauty insights and product reviews. Share your experiences with BoldPlex 3 in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care of your hair and stay fabulous.